welcome to Always Alyssa. I got this super cute advent calendar. It's the 24 days of Christmas and it's for my dogs. I'm very excited because each little part has a little treat in it. Let's start with day 1 right here. Oh, look how cute! It's a little red doggy bone. That's adorable. Let's go find a dog to give it to. Hi, Maui, do you want a treat? Wow, this smells really good. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Oh. It's day number 2 for the doggy advent calendar. Let's see, where's number 2? Oh, right here. Let's open this one up. Oh, cute! Another little red bone. Down. Roll over. Good girl. It's day 3 of the advent calendar for my dogs. So let's open up number 3. Oh, right here. Let's see what we get today. Ooh, this one's a white bone. That's so cute. Hey, Maui, sit. Good, sit, Maui. Oh, so gentle. It is day number 4 for the advent calendar. Here's number 4 right here. There we go. Another little white bone. Hey, Maui, do you want a treat? Oh, good boy, so gentle. Yeah, go ahead. It is day number 5 for the advent calendar. Number 5 is right here. It is. Let's punch it out. Oh, cute, a little red bone. Let's go find a doggy to give it to. Today is day number 6. Let's see which one we get. Oops, there we go. Oh, cute, this one's green. Good morning, everyone. It is day number 7. Let's see, which one is it today? Oh, here it is. Number 7. Oh, cute, another white one. Sit. Good boy. Oh, is that yummy? Oh. Today is day 8 of the doggy treat advent calendar, and oh, here it is. Let's punch it open. Another green one. Let's go find a doggy to give it to. Gentle. Good girl. Now it's day number 9 and another treat for the puppies. Number 9 right here. Another red one. Cute. A sit. Oh, good sit. Oops. Today is day number 10. And another white one. These actually smell kind of good. I know that's weird, but they do. Good sit. It is day number 11, and now Maui has figured out where the treats are coming from. Oh, you're already sitting. Good boy. Okay. Let's see. Where's number 11? Am I blind? Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, Maui, are you ready for a treat? You definitely beat Hana to it this time. Sit. Good boy. Good morning. Today is day number 12 of the 24 days of the advent calendar. 12 is right. I can never find it. What the heck? Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, I have to give this one to Hana because the past couple days, Maui has been kicking the ball. Sit. Good girl, Hana. It's day number 13, and again, Maui knows where the treats are. He is very excited. I know. So let's open up 13. He is beyond thrilled. Ooh, another little red one. Are you ready, Maui? Sit. Oh, you sat so fast. Good boy. Today we have number 16. And now I have Maui in my room and Chloe. This is the perfect time. Sit. Good sit, Maui. Hi, Chloe. Day number 17. Here it is. Another little green one. Sit. Good sit. Today is number 18, and I again have Chloe and Maui in my room, but Maui got the last 2, so I'm gonna have to give this one to Hana. Hana's very excited. Down. Roll over. Oh my gosh, Hana, sit. Good girl. Day number 19 of the advent calendar. Here it is right here. And another little green one. Maui. Sit. Good sit. Oh, I'm sorry, Hannah. You'll get it tomorrow, okay? Good girl. Today is day 20. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Let's pop it open. Hey, Maui. Maui. Maui, come here. Do you want a treat? Sit. Good boy. We're getting closer to Christmas. It is now day 21. Roll over. All the way, roll over. What was that? Try it again, ready? Roll over. Good girl, wait. Good girl. Welcome to day 22 of the cute doggy advent calendar. Another little red one. Ooh, Maui already knows. Okay, down. 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 Come on. You can do it. Sit down. Good boy. Hey, wait. There you go. It is now day 23. We're just one day away from Christmas. I'm so excited. Ooh, this is a cute one. Hi, Maui. Sit down. Good sit. Good boy. You guys, we're finally on the 24th day. This is so exciting. This is such a fun advent calendar. I had a lot of fun doing it. Oh my gosh, look at the last one. It's totally different than the rest. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. It's like a little reindeer. Oh wait, no, hold on. That's not a reindeer. That's a polar bear. It kind of looks like Hannah. Hannah, do you want a treat? Sit. Good girl, Hannah. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video today of me giving my dogs a treat for every single day until Christmas using that adorable little advent calendar. I had a lot of fun and the dogs definitely loved the treats. So make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. See you guys later. Bye!